So, in this video, I will explain how to find the Fourier transform of a given function. First, I'll write the formula. So, the Fourier transform of transform of f of x of the function f of x is given by f of u equals integral from minus infinity to plus infinity f of x e to the power of iux dx. But here, limits of this integral is minus infinity to plus infinity, whereas in the given function, f of x is equals to x square when modulus of x is less than or equal to a. So now we will see how to write this modulus of x. See, modulus of x will have two values. That is, modulus of x is equals to x. This is when x is positive, when it is greater than 0. And it will be minus x when x is less than 0. In such case, this modulus of x is less than or equal to a means, which implies when x is positive, x is less than or equal to a. If x is negative, suppose we may write minus x also greater than, less than or equal to minus a. See, if I multiply this expression by minus 1, if I multiply by minus 1, so this minus x becomes plus x and a becomes minus a. And we should change the inequality. Now it was less than or equal to, now we should change it as a greater than or equal to. So now you combine both these. So when we combine both the limits, what is there in the first one? X is less than or equal to a. What this says, x greater than or equal to minus a. X is greater than or equal to minus a means modulus of x less than or equal to a means this is the meaning. Similarly, we'll have this one. What is that? Modulus of x greater than a. So means when x is positive, you can take it as x greater than a. If it is negative, minus x is greater than a, or if you multiply by a minus 1, what we will get? X plus x, and this becomes minus a. And this inequality should change, means x is less than minus a. See, then now we will see what is the region of all these things. So for that, I will use this coordinate system. So I'll use the coordinate system. So you take this as the x-axis and this will be the y-axis. So x-axis, it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. I'll mark this point as minus a and equal same distance on the right hand side as plus a. And we know that in this region from minus a to plus a, what is the function? The function is x square. What, and here less than minus a means here the function will be 0. And here f of x, here also it is 0. Just see the limits. What it says, whenever it is modulus of x means this is the interval from minus a to plus a. This is beyond that, means less than minus a and greater than plus a. So therefore, now the given integral we have to split it into three integrals, like minus infinity to minus a f of x e to the power of iux dx plus minus a to plus a f of x e to the power of iux dx plus a to infinity f of x e to the power of iux dx. Here the function is 0. Here also function is 0. But in this interval, function is x square. So therefore, f of u will be first one. First integral is 0 plus minus a to plus a. Function is x square e to the power of iux dx plus the third interval is also integral is also 0. So you treat it as a first function and second function. Apply the integration by parts. So first function x square e to the power of iux by iu integration minus x square differentiation is 2x e power iux by iu integration e power iux by iu whole square plus 2x differentiation will be 2 e to the power of iux by iu whole cube limits from minus a to plus a. Here in the first one, 1 by iu will be a constant. So I'll substitute the upper limit. What is the limit? Upper limit a square e to the power of iua minus ex. That is lower limit is minus a into e power minus iua. Here minus 2 by I square u square. I square u square upper limit a, so it will be a e to the power of iua, lower limit minus a, so it is minus a e power minus iua. Now third term plus 2 by I cube u cube, upper limit is a, so it will be e power iua minus e power minus iua. So now I'll simplify it. So 1 by iu into this is a square e power iua minus a square minus a whole square will be plus a square minus iua minus so here I square this value I square is minus 1, so it becomes plus 2 by u square a e to the power of iua minus into minus plus a e to the power of minus iua. So again here I cube, so I cube is minus 1, so I cube value I cube is minus I, so therefore this will be 2 by minus I into u cube and this is e power iua minus e power minus iua. So here we need to know these things. So it is e power ix plus e power minus ix. It is 2 cos x. Similarly, e power ix minus e power minus ix will be 2i sin x. So by using this 1 by iu, I will take a square common, so it will be e power iua minus e power minus iua plus 2a by u square e power iua plus e power minus iua, and here it is minus 2 by I into u cube e power iua minus e power minus iua. So now using these two terms, so I can write a square by iu into this is minus is there, so I will write it as 2i sin AU, and here plus 2a by a square u square into this is plus, so it will be 2 cos AU, UA or AU, and minus 2 by I u cube, and this is 2i sin AU. So here I gets cancelled, I gets cancelled. So here also I gets cancelled. So Fourier transform of given function is given by 2a square by u into sin AU, and here 4 by u square, 4a by u square into cos AU minus 4 by u cube into sin AU. So this is how we will find out the Fourier transform of a given function. Thank you.